Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, which index option you can choose for tomorrow, whether it is going to be a call option or put option, which strike price will give you a maximum benefit. All these things will be covered in this short video. This video is created only for educational purpose. Share market trading involves huge financial risk and consult your advisor before investment. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. So Nifty on a daily chart, it looks like this. As I said yesterday also, this 9320 is the 38% Fibonacci retracement level, which is acting as a major resistance at the current level. So you can see today also it gave a very good gap up opening, and then it retraced back up to the same level of 9300 and then closed almost equal to the yesterday's closing level of 9260 range. So this is how it looks like. So this 9300, it's going to give a kind of huge resistance into the market, and then this level is a must watch, and if it crosses above this and if it makes a kind of very good bullish candle above this, then it gives the confirmation for Nifty to go further upward. And let us see the 5-minute candlestick chart. So the 5-minute candlestick also looks pretty good. Today was a sideways movement, sideways market. Like you can see, it just opened a gap up opening. From there it shed all its gain and came down to the level of 9270 in the first 5 minutes itself, and then it just gained some momentum, and then you can see this 90320 to 340 level acted as a resistance almost first time, second time, and then third time. 3 times it resisted in a single day, resisted and then went down and then came up, and then again resisted, further went down, and then kind of consolidated, and it was trading at this kind of the trend line, which resisted further then and then went up and then came down. So this 9300 to 340 is a kind of major level which you have to look at, and that is why yesterday we have a kind of winning strategy with 9300 put option and 9400 put option gave a kind of huge profit for the day. And let us go to the Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty is one of the major factor which pulled the Nifty downwards. So Nifty dropped only by 5 points, whereas Bank Nifty fell by around 150 points. So you can see the amount of the downward pull made by Bank Nifty on the Nifty's uptrend. So that was the only reason. Like you can see, this was a kind of channel, and then this 21,000, yesterday I said 21,000 is a major resistance for Bank Nifty, and again the same thing, it resisted 3 times across the day, and then it went down and it closed in the range of 20,500 levels. Let us have a look at the option chain data. So open interest is like the further support which Bank Nifty can take is at 9,000 level, where you can see this 30 lakh contract has been traded, or open interest has been made at this 9,000 level. And if it goes up this 9,500, don't go that much far, 9,300 itself is having a kind of 7 lakh open interest, which will act as a major resistance tomorrow as well, which might push down to this first level of 9,200 and maybe further down to 9,000 level. So tomorrow again the same levels have to be watched, 9,300, and then further if it goes down 9,200 gives you a kind of good entry, and then further if it goes down 9,100 if you are out of the money player. So if you are out of the money player, 9,100 put option is a kind of major one, and then at the money 9,300 will give you a kind of major support. This we will discuss later. And then coming to the Bank Nifty also the same, 21,000 will act as a major resistance over here, where this 2 lakh open interest will play a major resistance when it goes up, and then if it comes down, the major support is placed at 20,000 level. So these two are the crucial levels for Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trading session. Let us have a look at a monthly's contract also. Monthly contract, if you see, the major pain is placed, the max pain is one of the major factor where the Nifty or any of the stock might close during the expiry. So 9,000 is having a major pain. So here 14 lakh contract at call option side, 24 lakh, almost 24 lakh of open interest on the put option side. So this is the major pain area where it might close for the monthly expiry. So if you are a kind of option seller, you can choose somewhere at this 9500 call option, and then if you go on the other side, 8500 or 8800 call put option will be a very good choice for option writers. Let us go to the slides. So these were the levels which I suggested yesterday. So 9300 put option and 9400 put option for Nifty. So the open price was 147 and 177 respectively, and almost it's a kind of open low. It just dropped by 10 points, and then it was on a complete gain, so 67 points gain compared to the day high. And at 9400 put option, it gained 100 points. So any of this might have given you a very good profit. And on the Bank Nifty, both the levels performed super duper, and both the strike prices gave almost 150 points gain for the 20,700 put option, and 21,000 PE gave almost a 300 point gain over the opening levels. So what you can expect for tomorrow? Tomorrow, as I said when I was discussing on the open interest, 9300 put option is one you can look for. And if you are a conservative trader and you don't have a much margin, one can consider this OTM 9100 put option. So these two might give you a kind of very good edge for tomorrow. So tomorrow's recommendation for Nifty is 9300 put option and then 9100 put option. So these two can be added into your watch list and can be traded accordingly. And for Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty today it shared almost 150 points, and then one can consider this 20,500 put option for tomorrow. And if you are a OTM player, you can consider this 20,200 put option, which were trading at 569 and 427 respectively. So tomorrow it might consider, if it opens a little bit low, it might gain some positives tomorrow, and it might trade a little bit higher. And one more thing to tell upon this, today's SGX Nifty already it is trading flat or somewhat down. It went up to this 9100 levels, so you can expect tomorrow will be a kind of opening low levels, and then it might trade up to the 9200 zones. So this is how it is going to be tomorrow. All the best, and have a profitable and a successful trading day tomorrow. Thank you guys.